So, I'm gonna do a ouch!
Don't fuck about! Hello, I'm Luke and I'm standing here at the Ninja walls. These walls, there are 5 of them and they get progressively higher by about 50 centimeters every time you jump. So at the end you'll be standing and balancing on a pretty high wall. So apart from the mental fears, what can we learn? What can we do? The first way to beat this obstacle is by using your hands and your hip and landing on it. Now you have to traverse these walls without touching the floor or using these ones on the side. You can only traverse by jumping in between. So I will teach you a few ways that you can do these and start off with these in a confident way. So from the first one, what you really want to practice on is not from the first one to the second one, but from the floor to the first one until you get the technique in. And the way I usually teach this is 1 foot in front, which you want to aim for the boards to take the most of the impact. And then your arms will come and support you. Straight arms, ready to lock in. So imagine you're standing on a wall here, you jump into one and land. Softly take the impact with your foot. When you jump, lean down a bit so you're not jumping up, lean forward and reach with arms. Come up and stand on the walls. Even more important now is that when you jump, you really don't want to jump upwards. You want to jump this direction so you're not jumping up and down. The reason for this is when you land on your arms, you want the impact to be almost zero. So you're just placing the arms with your own body weight. So really, the force that you take with your foot should be the force jumping that way. So I'll show you this one. Lean forward, 1 foot, and land securely, confidently. Lean down, 1 foot in front, and land. You shouldn't really feel an impact on your hip or a strong impact on your hands. If you feel that, re-practice your technique until you get it right. Lean down, 1 foot, and again. And then once you pass that one, again, you have some wooden boards that you can walk on the way down. I always suggest you do height reduction, which is saving yourself from a hard impact when you're jumping down. So from the top, don't just jump down, actually use the boards, height reduce. Come on, I'll show you the next one. Right, so next one, we've all seen the movie Karate Kid, and the last finishing move that he has is the crane, and that's exactly what you're gonna do here. So you want to lift the leg up, arms out, and then as you jump, you want to land on the leg that you're lifting up, and you want to push on the leg that's straight. So essentially, you're trying to balance exactly what Karate Kid is doing. I'll show you this one from the side just to get a sense of it. You're standing on the wall, you're jumping up, and this leg is really important, and it's pushing against the boards here, and this one just resting into my chest, so the knee will literally be pushing against my chest there. Again, standing here, really focus, jump, and here when it gets a little bit higher, to get some extra balance in, I put my left arm onto the boards on the top just to secure myself. So jump. And there you have it. Good luck as always and enjoy your training.